Legal writing is a precise art, and even small structural errors can significantly impact the effectiveness of your arguments. These mistakes can weaken your case, confuse your reader, or even undermine your credibility. So, what are these common pitfalls, and how can you avoid them? One of the most frequent issues is overly complex sentence structures that obscure the main point. Remember, clarity is key in legal writing. Your goal is to make your arguments easily understood, not to impress with fancy language. Avoid jargon and convoluted phrasing that might confuse your reader. Instead, try to aim for straightforward language that clearly conveys your points. Another common mistake is neglecting to address the counterarguments. A strong legal argument doesn't just present your main thesis, it also considers and refutes opposing views. This approach strengthens your overall argument by demonstrating its robustness. When you anticipate and address potential objections, you show that you've thoroughly considered all angles of the issue. Many writers also struggle with maintaining logical flow between paragraphs. Each paragraph should begin with a clear topic sentence that ties back to your thesis. This helps your reader follow the progression of your argument. Without this coherence, your writing can feel disjointed and even confusing. A lack of effective transitions between ideas in paragraphs is another frequent issue. Use transitional phrases to guide your reader through your argument, making your argument more fluid and easier to follow. Words like first, second, and finally can help indicate the structure of your argument and improve overall clarity. Perhaps the most critical mistake is inadequate revision. Many writers underestimate the importance of thorough editing. This final step is crucial for enhancing clarity, coherence, and the overall strength of your argument. During revision, you should review for grammatical errors, logical flow, and ensure that all points support your thesis. To avoid these pitfalls, develop a systematic approach to your writing process. Start by creating a clear outline that includes your main arguments and your counterarguments. And as you write, focus on clarity and logical progression. Use simple language where possible and explain complex concepts thoroughly. And after writing your first draft, take a break before revising. This will allow you to approach your work with fresh eyes and read your document out loud. This can help you catch awkward phrasing or run-on sentences. Then use a checklist to ensure that you've covered all the essential elements of your argument. Remember, great legal writing is a skill that develops over time. By being aware of these common issues and actively working to avoid them, you'll significantly improve the quality and effectiveness of your legal arguments. With practice and attention to detail, you'll be crafting clear, persuasive legal documents in no time. From blank page to polished argument, you now have the blueprint for structuring effective legal writing. We've covered the essential components: a compelling introduction that hooks your reader, a clear thesis that guides your argument, well-structured body paragraphs that build your case, and a powerful conclusion that drives your point home. And let's not forget the counterarguments. Remember, mastering legal writing is an ongoing process. It takes practice, patience, and a willingness to revise and refine your work. Don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't perfect. Every great legal writer started where you are now. The key is to keep writing, keep analyzing, and keep improving. Try crafting practice theses, outlining arguments, or even rewriting conclusions from cases you've studied. As you apply these techniques, you'll find your writing becoming clearer, more persuasive, and more impactful. Legal writing isn't just about following the rules, it's about effectively communicating complex ideas. So take these tools, make them your own, and start building arguments that will make even the toughest judges take notice.